Hi, good afternoon all. My name is Shubhankar. I'm the project manager from Vincitore Reality.
My name is Haider. I am construction manager here for the luxury contracting. We are going to complete the slab top steel we are doing now, and today we are going to complete the top steel and the inspection also by today evening, and tomorrow we are planning for the DDA inspection, and after tomorrow we have planned to cast the slab. So yeah, this is the way we are going to achieve the slab.
This is zone number 1.
This is zone 1.
Number 2.
That is zone 2, yeah.
And we are continuing our work in that area also. We are planning in this month to make one more slab up to cast the 8th floor slab also, to make it ready 8th floor slab also. We're trying our best. We'll definitely complete our project with the integrity and precision. Thank you.